Good morning, class. How are we today? Amazing. I love to hear it. I'm glad you guys are happy because when you're happy, I'm happy. But today we're going to have an amazing day. We're going to be counting with objects from the numbers that we learned from yesterday. But before we start, just a heads up, we will be getting into groups after our lesson. Don't get too excited. We're going to do some stations together. We're going to do a station that we do by ourselves. We're going to be in groups. Don't worry, we're going to have fun, but let's get started. Speaking of which, counting numbers, what numbers did we learn yesterday? Yes, we learned 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, class. We learned 1 to 5 yesterday. And what is that green circle on the far left? That is the number 1. What about the blue right next to it? Blue circle? That is the number 2. What about the orange circle right next to the number 2? Number 3. Great job, class. What about the gray circle right next to the 3? That is the number 4. And last but certainly not least, what about this greenish, bluish colored, I don't even know what that is, right next to the 4? Yes, that is the number 5. Great job, class. Great job. You guys are so great. We are going to start with this video here. If I can pull it up. Darn ads.
Please click and subscribe. Hi, welcome to the school. Let's do some counting with some of the objects you would see in a classroom. First, we have some red paintbrushes. How many red paintbrushes are here? One red paintbrush. One red paintbrush. There's one red paintbrush. There's one red paintbrush. There's one red paintbrush. There's one red paintbrush. Next, we have some yellow pencils. How many yellow pencils are here? 1, 2. 2 yellow pencils. 2. 2 yellow pencils. There's 2 yellow pencils. 2 yellow pencils. There's 2 yellow pencils. There's 2 yellow pencils. 2. Next, we have some blue scissors. How many blue scissors are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 blue scissors. 3 blue scissors. There's 3 blue scissors. 3 blue scissors. There's 3 blue scissors. There's 3 blue scissors. 3. Now we have some pink erasers. How many pink erasers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pink erasers. 4 pink erasers. 4 pink erasers. There's 4 pink erasers. There's 4 pink erasers. 4. Last, we have some green crayons. Let's count the green crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green crayons. 5. There's 5 green crayons. 5 green crayons. There's 5 green crayons. There's 1 red paintbrush. There's 2 yellow pencils. There's 3 blue scissors. There's 4 pink erasers. There's 5 green crayons. 5. Yeah!
Great job, class. You guys did so good with that. And after the video, after watching it, do we have any questions at all yet? No questions? All right. Let me know if you have any questions at any time, please. I want to answer your questions. I want you guys to understand counting objects, okay? I want you guys to be learning. We're going to do a little bit of practicing because practice does make perfect. using objects can help you. So each slide we're going to go through and we're going to count how many apples, lemonades, and popsicles that there are. Let's do apple first. How many apples are there in this picture, class? Yes, there is one apple in this picture. Tell me how many lemonades there are in this picture. There's only one lemonade. Great job. What about how many popsicles? Yes, there is only one popsicle in this class. Great work. Or that picture, goodness. There's only one popsicle in that picture. Great job, class. All right, and tell me how many lemonades are in this picture. Yes, there's only 2 lemonades. Great job. Tell me how many apples there are. There's 2 apples in this picture. Good job. And tell me how many popsicles there are in this picture. There's 2 popsicles. Great job, class. You guys are doing so great. All right, tell me how many popsicles are in this picture. There's 3 popsicles in this picture. Tell me how many apples there are in this picture, class. There are 3 apples. Tell me how many lemonades there are in this picture. There are 3 lemonades. All these lemonades are making me thirsty. But let's continue. Tell me how many lemonades are in this picture. Yes, there are 4 lemonades. Tell me how many apples there are in this picture. There are 4 apples. Good job, class. And tell me how many popsicles there are in this picture. 4 popsicles. You guys are doing so good. I'm so proud of you guys. Tell me how many popsicles there are in this picture. There are 5 popsicles. Tell me how many apples there are in this picture, class. 5 apples. I'm blocking 1. But how many lemonades are there in this picture, class? There are 5 lemonades. Great job, class. You guys are doing so good. Are there any questions so far? Are we confused? Do we have any questions? Do we need to go back to a number? No, we are okay. We are going to do some matching here, you guys. We're going to go to this picture right up here first. Can you tell me how many pencils are in this picture right here? Correct. There are 2 pictures, or 2 pencils. Goodness. What about this little can? How many pencils are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils, which is right here. What about this picture? 1, 2, 3, and where is the number 3? All the way up here. And what about this picture right here? Let's count them together. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pencils. And where is the number 5? It's all the way right here. And what about this picture right here, class? 1, 2, 3. Here is another 3 pencils. So we'll connect it to the number 3. And what about this lonely little pencil down here? That is just 1 lonely pencil, and the number 1 is all the way up here. You guys did so good. Thank you for the help. Oh, and it looks like it's time for some fun. We're going to do our little activity. We're going to be getting into our groups. And we're going to have some fun. So listen closely. I want your ears wide open, and I want your eyes on me, okay? We're going to work together. We're going to try our best. We're going to count to our best ability. And we're going to most importantly have fun. We're going to have fun. So, step 1. We're going to get into the groups I chose. I will have a list of who is in which group, and I will go through that shortly after. Step 2, we are going to follow instructions that I will also have on the board. It's going to tell you what each station is going to be about, who's going to be in which station, and when they're going to be at which station. We'll go through that. They're going to be a station of just me and the group. We're going to do some fun counting activity. You're going to do a worksheet on your own using some objects. We're going to be using building blocks. You're going to count while you build. And we'll play some fun games on the computer. It's going to be fun. And last but not least, we have step 3. After your stations, I'm gonna give you an exit ticket. You're gonna fill it out and you're gonna turn it in before you leave my classroom, please. Just turn it in your little bucket that you always turn things in, okay? Well, let's get into these stations. Before we start, do we have any questions? No? Okay, let's have some fun. Let's get into our groups and let's get started with that. Bye. We're gonna get into our stations.